Good evening to you all. Now, today we are going to start a special and short program to practice you on how to face IELTS speaking part 2. I am not going to move to part 3. I want to focus only part 2. So, in the IELTS speaking part 2 section, what will happen? You will get a topic. You have a 1 minute time for the preparation. At the end of the 1 minute, you have to go for a 2-minute speech. So that is the plan of the IELTS speaking part 2. Now you can see you have very clear 3 topics here. One is helping others. The second one is your plan after higher studies. Third one is famous character living in your country. You can see the bullet points also under each topic. So what you have to do, you don't know what is the topic I am giving to you still. Out of these 3 topics, you have to talk on one topic. But if I nominate a person, you will get a one minute time for the preparation. So I will declare the topic and you will get a 1 minute time for the preparation. At the end of the 1 minute, you have to go for a 2-minute speech. You should not stop your speech till I tell you to stop. So that is the condition. And again, please in your mind, when you are speaking, my advice is don't quickly jump to the topic. Don't quickly jump to the topic. Try to talk about maybe maximum like 20 seconds about background of this topic and slowly come to the topic and then elaborate your thoughts by following the bullet points. That's what very important. You have to follow the bullet points when you are speaking. So now I would like to get one by one for this very important exercise, that is IELTS writing part 2 cue card. So why this is important? If we get fail in this IELTS speaking part 2 section, actually it will be a great damage for your band score. So practicing for this is very important. First of all, I would like to invite Parami. Parami, can you switch on your audio and video, please? How about your connection? Hope the connection is okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yeah, Parami. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah. Did you switch on your video?
Sir, I can switch on my video, but there are some signal issues.
Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Then switch on. Don't switch on your video. Just keep the audio. Parami, your topic is third one. Famous character living in your country. Famous character living in your country. Now you will get a 1 minute time for the preparation. Your preparation time now starts. Now get prepared for this speech. All right, Parami. Now you can start your speech.
There are so many famous people in my country and the world who I like, such as politicians, such as businessmen and famous singers like this. One of them, out of them, I like to speak about politician. His Excellency Mahinda Rajapaksa, who was our former president. I first of all, I like his appearance because I think his appearance is more suitable for the leader. And the main reason is he eradicated the 30 years war in my country, and uh, he he developed my country, as well as he uh, gave some hopes to Sri Lankans, how we develop our country. Mm, uh, and
All right. All right. Okay. All right, Parami. Now you can see that how you are going to face this kind of IELTS writing part 2 exercise. You see that what I saw, that you talk about some background information and you slowly come to the topic and you try to follow those bullet points. But you see at the last moment, you are a little bit struggling. Why? Because
yeah.
that you don't have enough facts to talk. Now those are the things we have to develop. So what I can say now, I think by looking at IELTS speaking, you have to think about task achievement. So how much you're talented to cover the topic. I think you tried your level best to do that with your existing knowledge. And same time that you try to maintain the flow also, coherence and cohesion. You slowly approach to these bullet points. You did it. And when looking at your lexical resources, your vocabulary, I didn't see very much. You are using a wide range of vocabulary, like that, some political related contextual verbs. I didn't see this kind of approach. Little bit poor in vocabulary, and grammar also I didn't see a much range. But this is very good attempt, Parami. Why? Because that now this is the first time we are doing this kind of exercise. You have little bit kind of a stage phobia also, but this is very good exercise. I think definitely next time when we are doing this exercise in next week, you will improve more and more. That's what I need. Do you have any questions, Parami?
No, sir.
No. Yeah, you feel little bit slight stress like that when you are speaking, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't worry. Don't
More
worry.
stress.
Yeah, some stress. Don't worry. Now you are getting this experience. Now when you get this experience, that slowly reduce. Actually, that is a plan of this kind of program. So next following 2 3 4 weeks, I will give more attention on speaking practice. Then you will best speak at the time you are when go to the IELTS exam. Okay, Parami, thank you very much for joining. Now I would like to do my Parami, good. Yeah, now I would like to invite Manusha. Manusha, can you switch on your audio and video? Yes. I think, yes, we can see Manusha. Manusha, good morning. Sorry. Good evening. Good evening. Yes. Yeah. Your topic is actually, there are 3 topics here. Your topic is helping others. Helping others. That is your topic. So you have 1 minute time for the preparation. At the end of the 1 minute, at the end of the 1 minute, I will ask you to go for a 2-minute speech. Now your preparation time start. Your topic is helping others. There are 3 bullet points. Now you design your speech within 1 minute of time. Your preparation time now starts. All right, Manusha, now you can start. Yes, Manusha, now you can start. We can't hear you, I think. You are muted.
Yeah. Now, okay, sir.
Okay, now we can hear you very clearly. Yes.
First of all, I would like to thank for giving me this immense opportunity to talk about this topic, helping others. Yeah, actually, helping others is very important for all of us because it's helping others improves the social interaction, and also it distracts people from their own problems also, uh, and it improves self-esteem, uh, and there are so many pros and cons of helping others. Mm, Let me talk about the pros of helping others. Uh, there are if we if we help someone, uh, we uh, we we comfort our feelings, and we can esteem our self-confidence also, and sometimes we have to face um, trouble also, because we have to help wrong persons. uh, that's it. That is the disadvantages of helping others. uh, and mainly there are both benefits in helping supports others one, because if we let me think.
All right, Manusha. All right. All right. Okay. Now you can see that the way, but I think this topic is not very much comfortable to you, no?
Yes.
Yes, I understood that. Now, when you are start a speech, don't need not to tell thanks for giving this opportunity.
Okay.
This kind of thing not important at all. IELTS exam, you have to talk about slightly background very quickly, helping others. Then you slowly come to the topic and follow the bullet points, and that's what you have to do. I think that again, I observe that when you are talking, when you are speaking, you use the same word in pros and cons here 2-3 times. So my advice is that when you are speaking, whether better that you have to give some similar meaning words like advantages and disadvantages, merits and demerits. Like don't use the same words here. That is good. And again, that I think when IELTS is speaking, it is very much important you are thinking. You have to develop your thinking. I think you are a little bit struggling because you don't have great ideas on this topic. This topic is not very much comfortable to you, I observe. So that's why, Manusha, now in future, though I gave you a list of different topics, please get familiar with those topics and think out of the box and improve your thinking capacity also. To answer for this IELTS speaking part 2, your English knowledge is important as well as your thinking also important. So think about that and make well prepare for our next week session. Next week, I will make very extensive session on speaking practice. Then you can show your colors again at that time. Any questions from your side? No, maybe this is first and very rare experience. You are face-to-face talking, but this is good experience and try to improve that because this is very important section of IELTS speaking. Okay, thank you, Manusha. Thanks for joining. Now you can switch off your audio and video. Now I would like to invite Vasanta. Vasanta, can you switch on your audio and video?
Hello.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
Vasanta, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, Vasanta, I would like to give you the third topic, famous character living in your country. You have 1 minute time for the preparation. At the end of the 1 minute, you have to go for a 2-minute speech. Now your preparation time starts.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vasanta, now you can start.
Okay, sir. Uh, Around the world, there are a lot of sports games very famous, like football, cricket, and swimming like that. I especially like cricket because of one of our main character in Sri Lankan cricket team. He's Arjun Ranatunga. Actually, he played very well when they are playing in cricket. His duration it is uh, most important to us because he took World Cup to our country in 1996, and also he has good leadership, and he's showing it every game, day by day. He's improving. I like uh, that leader. When our team playing in Australia, he's act as a real leader and showing to the world how to handle and tackle the problems in the ground. It is very useful for the every and each leaders, and also he is now in one of our politician in the country. He is giving his thoughts and his ideas to the how to improve our cricket team, develop the cricket board, as well as selecting committees like that. But he has little bit weaknesses, such as very smart discipline action taken for the under his subordinators, and also the his little bit emotion guy, and sometimes he took his responsibilities from the others also. That is his weak point actually, but anyway, he is the man I most like in Sri Lanka.
All right, Vasanta. All right, you can stop. Yes, Vasanta, I think that you spoke reasonably comfortable way, but since this is our first exercise, primogenital exercise, I am not going to make any serious comments. So I'm going to you all to learn this, and maybe when we come to our third, fourth sessions, I will make some more serious comments. But since this is our first session, so I'm basically I'm happy the way you spoke. But I saw, Vasanta, at the very beginning, your starting time, that your topic is famous character living in your country, but I think you are going to, I thought that you are going to talk about sports or something. The thing is that I think your starting time, you have some weakness. You can talk like this. You can say maybe there are different people. They are famous in different fields. Some people are famous in political, some people famous in sports, some people art, some people culture, some people acting, but some people are academically very much famous. But out of these different kind of people, I like the famous people in sports, especially cricket. So my famous person is Arjun Ranatunga, who was our fast former cricket captain. So likewise, that you try to maintain a proper flow. The people are different field. Out of this field, I like sports. In sports, I like cricket. In cricket, I like Arjun Ranatunga. Likewise, you try to maintain the proper flow. That the one of the mistake I observed at the very beginning. But rest of the area, you try to follow these bullet points and try to make your level best based on your knowledge. So I think Vasanta, take this opportunity today and try to understand. I think you all can make a drastic change in following sessions with your first day experience today. So then, Vasanta, basically, I am happy about the way you spoke. Any idea from your side?
Yeah, nothing, sir. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Vasanta. Thanks for joining this session. Now, I would like to invite now Nilanthi. Nilanthi, can you switch on your audio and video? You all listen that different speakers think about their plus and minuses. Then you can learn. This is that entire, this is a learning event. Right, now we can see Nilanthi. Yeah, we can see Asela also. Right, okay. Yes. Okay, Nilanthi, now your time, that your topic is second one, your plan after higher studies. Your plan after higher studies. you will get only 1 minute time for the preparation. At the end of the 1 minute, you have to go for a 2-minute speech. Your preparation time now starts. All right, Paramina, sorry. All right, Nilanthi, now you can start. All right, now you can start. Yes.
In case of like higher studies plans, actually people have to plan their higher studies based on the profession they aim. So in my case, now almost I have completed my bachelor's and master's, and now I am passing through a kind of transition period, and my aim is do a PhD also. And I think now from my bachelor's and master's, I gained basic knowledge about engineering and sustainable development. And now I am moving in a kind of health and safety, especially occupational health and safety. So I wanted to do my higher studies based on that area. So I think that will help to improve my professional skills. And actually, with my background at the moment I have, even though I am doing like awareness program for factories and other people, especially employees and other things, to improve their health and safety in the workplace. I think in order to do more advanced or better service, I need to learn more about that occupational health and safety field.
All right, Nilanthi. All right. I think that, you tried to make some justification and very good thing for this topic. I think you understood the topic, and you try to follow the key bullet points, and and to cover main bullet points and move towards. I think that still that now there are different areas we have to improve, but today I don't want to make any comments. Why? Because today I am giving a first exposure for this kind of topic. I think you may feel different areas where you have to improve, definitely. Even I am not telling. So think about those areas, what you feel, that what is your judgment about your speech, and make improvement before when you are coming for the next week. Any idea, Nilanthi, how do you feel about this when you are facing this kind of exercise?
Yeah, I was little struggle, I think.
Yeah. It means there's a slight stress like that.
Yeah, a little stress, and actually for me I feel there was no kind of a beautiful flow also, like
yeah,
it was points from here and there like that.
Yeah, it is very good, Nilanthi, that you are understanding your mistake, your own self-criticism on the way you spoke, and then next week and following week that you have a lot of improvement chance to improve with our practice. Understand this, make your practice. Maybe you can go in front of mirror and quickly decide a topic and talk, and you can record and you can listen back. And likewise, try to make this development drive. Still, we have around 1.5 months for our exam date. So make this preparation. continuously. That is very important. So thank you very much for joining this event. Thanks, Nilanthi, for joining here. Okay, thank you. Now I would like to invite now Sevandi. Sevandi, now your opportunity. Can you switch on your audio and video? I think Sevandi is with us. Oh, she lost the connection. Yes, Sevandi is there. Okay. Okay, Sevandi, now I think you can hear me clearly. Yeah, your topic is number 1, helping others. Helping others. You have 1 minute time for the preparation. At the end of the 1 minute, you have to go for a 2-minute speech. Now your preparation time now starts. All right, now you can start your speech.
Well, actually, helping others, whether helping others is very most consequential and very trending trending factor in these days. Because as a country, we have faced many disasters, especially natural disasters. Especially for that on all the occasions. Most of the people in all the occasions, most of the people suffered from various problems. So I think in that occasions, people have to improve their togetherness, and also people have to help each others. So I think and also I would like to say helping others, whether helping others have many pros and cons. As an advantage, I can mention whether togetherness, especially for example in this corona pandemic situation, people of economy sector, people of social sector, and also people of especially people of health sector working together. I think it is a very advantage. And also I can mention about one disadvantage. If when I collect some money as a donation using our social media platform, we can meet many liars and many cheat peoples. I think I can mention as a disadvantages this one.
All right, Sevandi. All right. Yeah. What I feel that I think, Sevandi, that I can see some good improvement in your side now. When I last time when just I talked that I saw that you are a bit struggling, but today I didn't see that kind of struggle. But you are developing. So that's what you have to continuously maintain. So I saw that you are using the word like togetherness and some new words like economic sector, social sector. You use that. You link your speech and you very clearly say why we should help others. Now you got mainly that one example as natural disasters. So that is very good. You are connecting those connections. And another positive thing what I saw that you use that pros and cons the word one time, and again then you use advantage and disadvantage. So you show that examiner that you are not just depend on pros and con words. You have some synonyms, similar meaning words. That's what you showed. And finally, you connected it to Corona context. That's also positive. So I believe that now you are developing. Now I know that your knowledge is not very strong, but based on your capacity and based on your foundation, you are building a beautiful house. That's what you are doing now. So please keep this momentum, Sevandi. That is very important. I think if you do that in our future sessions, maybe next week, try to make a drastic change by practicing more and more and develop that. Then this is the place that you have to score more and to get a good band score. How do you feel when I'm asking the question? You feel a little bit stress in your mind or no stress?
Little more stress I have.
There are little, yeah.
A little struggle. I have a little stress.
Little stress, yeah. That's why I say one. That's our first exercise we are doing like this, face to face, like more online, but face to face. Now, when we are doing such exercises continuously, that stress kind of thing slowly drop down. Then you can talk more and more. Yes, please practice more and more in coming days based on your free time. Manage your time and do that. And next week we'll meet again for another good extensive speaking practice exercise. Okay, thank you, Sevandi, for joining for this event. Good. Okay, now I would like to invite Indika. Indika, can you switch on your audio and video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So Indika, that your topic is second one, your plan after your higher studies. Your plan after your higher studies, that is your topic. Now your 1 minute preparation time starts. All right, now you can start.
So, yeah, I think I got topic to discuss about plans after higher studies. So, yeah, so I think this is a very good topic to discuss. Everyone from every day, I think we have plans. I think from my childhood, I wanted to be an engineer. So I think now I got opportunity to study and doing higher studies. So actually, I came to field of engineering, and I got opportunity to go on my interesting area. So yeah, I think it's like higher studies is very important when you're doing a school time, higher schools, we learn theory side and limited, we learn everything, but when we do higher studies, we are doing a focus area with detailed studies, I think which will help to do our career very in progressive way. So I think when you do higher studies, that is directly focusing on objective career path. So I think in my area, I'm planning to do on software engineering side, where my special interest is on database side, data analytics side. So I'm actually focusing studies on that area. So after my higher studies, actually I'm going to join a very famous company and give my contribution to towards data analytics. I think that is very trending area these days, since everywhere we go, any business, any place, that is important topic to improve business and everything. So I think I'm willing to contribute towards that path. So
all right, Indika, now you can stop. All right. Yeah, I can see that when you are speaking that you try to maintain your flow, but very beginning starting point, I saw a little bit turbulent, but later you came to the track and clearly follow the bullet points. So what I would like to say that since this is the first day that I think you may have your own analysis that you feel more better than me that whether you spoke well or whether any struggling when so whether you can improve further. So you may have some great feeling than me, but what I saw that basically that you came to the topic in the right way. You talk about the importance of higher studies, but I didn't see you are exploring its more broader way, importance of higher studies in different angles. But you try to say it to a certain level. But when it comes to how to plan to use your learning, that's also you spoke nicely. But I think there are more thinking you can bring it. And the last one also you talk actually 3 topics, 3 bullet points you covered. But still, I think that if you think a little bit out of the box, you can further think about that how, as an example, importance of higher studies. It's good for our knowledge and it's give us a recognition and and it brings some chance to make innovation and it's give chance to support poor people and to countries' development. Likewise, that the broader thinking I didn't see, but I saw that reasonably very good speech. So how do you feel, Indiga?
Yeah, I also noticed the start I little bit struggle, but yeah, that area also I was focusing on only my knowledge area. And,
that's right. That's very common when I'm training on actually engineers, especially software engineers, electrical engineers, electronic engineers, as well as doctors and accountants. So I saw this kind of thing that they always limit to their area. They are not thinking beyond that. That's very natural, but you can try level little bit to explore it in out of the box and bring some new thoughts, some beautiful words like innovation, creativity, this kind of word. If you bring here, that's bring more additional beauty. Thank you, Indiga. Do you have any comments on that, your speech?
No, I think thanks for giving the opportunity.
Okay, thank you very much. So now you can switch off your audio and video. Thank you. Okay, now I would like to invite Asela. Asela, can you switch on your audio and video? Yes, Asela. Okay, I can. Yes, Asela, that can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So still I can't see you, but maybe you're online. Okay, Asela, that your topic is third one, famous character living in your country. Your preparation time now starts. Okay, Asela, now you can start.
There are more famous characters in Sri Lanka, in my country. Some people are in the as a politician, and some people are as a educated people, and some are as a actress, and some are as a sportsman. I like famous character in my country. His name is Mr. Kumara Sangakkara. He's a cricketer. He's a brilliant product of Sri Lankan cricket to the world. He's a very talented cricketer. He's in the start. I like to his starting and end type of his cricket career, because he start as a little 22 years in my memory, in 22 years old, a young boy. He's not a rightful man in the start. In that days, most of the expectations are not happy to he entered to the team, because that days Kalvitarna get to keep a position, and Sangakkar coming. Most of the Sri Lankan people not like to he enter the team. Then he began as a gradually he get experience gradually, and very proper way to he get the experience, and he become the most get some experience. He get some experience. He learning in the ground, and he then he coming to perfect cricketer in after 2 or 3 years. Then he get as a he
All right, Asela.
he's a
All right.
talented,
All right, you can stop. Okay, Asela, how do you feel that your speech? How do you feel before I making my comments?
encouragement very much.
Do you think that you have any stress kind of thing? You are struggling a little bit?
I have stress and all the facts are not to performing in the time.
Yeah, that's what I also observe. But I saw that your potential, Asela, you have a great potential. I know you that you have a great potential, but still the potential we can't see, that you are a little bit struggling. Now you need some good practice. Now you see that you started very nicely. You were telling that the people are famous, people are coming from different field. Some are sports, some are political, some are economic, some are academic. Likewise, you try to bring a very good start to your speech. But when it's come to, then you brought that sports Kumar Sangakkar as your most famous character. But hereafter, I didn't see very much you are focused on those bullet points. So like, why do you like him? You have to tell very clearly, why do you like him? As an example, you can say, I like him because he's a kind of a proud person and he's educated. Even he's a sportsman, he having a Bachelor of Law degree. So he's educated and he's a great leader and listening to others. Likewise, you have to tell very clearly some qualities, and you can tell some weaknesses also. Sometimes you can say, as an example, after completing his century, sometimes he takes some risky shots, or that's loose that he's getting double centuries. So likewise, you can talk about that. And what kind of services he rendered, you can tell some services he did, like that cricket coach and training our young cricketers, as well as bringing some international recognition to the country. Likewise, you can think in the different way and express your thought. But I appreciate, Asela, your attempt. You make a very good attempt to bring your thoughts, but slightly struggling. So try to make good practice, Asela. You can get support from Nilanthi also. You both can work together and do some good practice. And I think in next session, you can improve lots. So I know you're thinking, you have out of the box thinking capacity. Now you have to capitalize those. That's what you have to do. So that's what I feel. So any comments from your side?
Okay, sir. No, sir, no, thanks.
Yeah, I think very good attempt. I wish you all the best, Asela, but make more polish and try to more focus and improve your flow. That's what we have to do. So I will support you. I'm behind you to support you. Please practice more and more. And next week we'll see your improvement. Thank you, Asela, joining for this event. Good. Okay, now I think our final final candidate, that Netsara Hirupama. I don't know who is Netsara, but I think you are.
So I am Hiroshini, sir. Baba.
Yeah, Hiroshini. Okay,
He's
no
my
problem.
son.
No problem, Hiroshini. Yes, Hiroshini. Now your opportunity. Your topic is your plan after higher studies. Your plan after higher studies. Second topic. So your starting time, preparation time now starts.
Okay, sir.
No, you can prepare, Roshani. You will get a 1 minute of time for your preparation.
Oh,
Don't
okay.
worry. Don't worry. IELTS exam, you get 1 minute time for preparation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, Roshani, now you can start.
Okay, sir. Higher studies is the main important characters of the one's life. I think it is very beneficial characters for our life. With higher studies, anyone can earn more benefits for their life, such as scholarships and opportunity to go to higher studies to the abroad, and can make good jobs. So that's how we can spend our life with happiness and with satisfaction. In higher studies, I think work plan is very compulsory, and we must to do our learning according to the clear targets and clear work plan. We need to put our best effort to learn and to achieve our higher studies plan. Yeah, currently I am a nursing officer. That's why I would like to my higher study according to my profession. I am willing to go abroad and completion my high studies, and in this time also I am ready to my target achievement for gain high band score in IELTS exams. Then I complete my higher studies in the abroad, and I come back my country, and I am willing to serve my country with my best.
All right. Yeah, Roshani, that you can see that I was thinking actually now you are going to finish your speech. That's why I am waiting. I don't know whether 2 minutes pass, but you should not stop. That is very important. You have to continue your speech. You should not stop that till examiner tell you to stop. But I was thinking when you are speaking slowly, you are going to finish it. That's why I am waiting to give that experience to you. Now, please understand at the IELTS speaking part 2, you should not finish till examiner tell you to stop. But I think, Roshani, that your approach is okay. You talk about very clearly importance of higher studies, and you talk about how to plan it. And again, you talk about that how you are in what kind of profession you like. That you talk about your profession and how you are going to use that higher studies to improve your profession. I think that the way you followed the bullet point you spoke. IELTS speaking test check your natural speaking capacity. So that's what you have to do. So basically, since this is our first program, I don't want to make much comments, but I would like to tell you so that Roshani, that when you are speaking, think about your flow and try to bring some contextual words and try to improve your grammar range. Those are basically important things, but I didn't see any specific big errors in your speech. Why? Because I don't want to make any serious comments at that stage. Why? Because that is now we are just starting the speaking practice. So in future I will make some critical comments when you are slowly growing. So this stage I don't want to make any critical comments. How do you feel your speech, Hiroshini?
Thank you for your opportunity, sir.
Yeah, do you feel any stress? No.
No, sir.
No, that you feel little bit confident, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Hiroshini, thank you very much for joining this event.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think I covered you all. I think I covered you all. No, all the students I covered today who participate for this session. Okay, so finally that actually IELTS speaking part 2, this cue card section is the one of the challenging section. Why? Because we are getting different topics. I gave you set of such topic. So please practice and make sure you have clear direction on each and every topics, and make your practice continuously till you go to the exam on January 8th. So that's what you have to do. So I will guide you step by step, and I will make my new some advanced comments to improve while you are improving. I don't want to make all those comments at the very beginning. So today I think this is very successful program, and thank you very much for joining this program today, and coming forward with your speeches. Any comments from your side? Any final comments? No, ne? Okay, then thank you very much for you all for joining this program. So we'll do this kind of sessions continuously in coming days, and we'll improve our IELTS speaking module speaking capacity. Thank you very much for joining again. We'll meet. Okay. Yes, Indigo?
Yeah. When we are speaking, is it okay to look at the card while we are speaking? Is it bad?
Actually that when you are speaking, actually very good question. At the exam test you will get this kind of a card with bullet points, and you will get an empty paper. So if you want to write down something within this 1 minute of time, you can write down also. If you want to write down something, you can write down. Then you can look at this paper, look at this card, no problem.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for asking questions. So then I think since you don't have any other more questions, we can finish this session from this point. And thank you very much for joining again. And I wish you all a good night. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye to you all.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Mm.